Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Irene and I'm back with another tutorial. Today I'll show you how to make this Daisy bookmark. And this is one of the easiest flower bookmark you'll make. I have made a simple white daisy, but you can definitely change the colors and make it prettier. This is definitely a beginner friendly project because I've made sure that every step is explained. It can also be a scrap yarn project because this bookmark takes very less yarn. So let's get started. For this project, you'll need some yarn. I am using a weight 3 acrylic yarn and I have used 3 different colors. One for the petal, I'm using white for the petal and green for the leaves and yellow for the center. Along with that, I'm using a 3.5mm hook. You will also need scissors and yarn needle or a smaller hook to weave in your ends. So to begin, we'll make a magic ring. To make a magic ring, wrap the yarn around 2 of your fingers like this and then going into the loop closer to you and pulling in the other loop. Like this, I will leave the rest of the loop and I will yarn over and pull it through the loop on my hook. That is the magic ring. So once you have your magic ring, we are going to make 6 single crochet into this magic ring. So to do that, I will first tighten this up a little bit so it's easier to work with. Next, I'll make 6 single crochet. We have to make 1 single crochet for every petal. So I am making 6 petals, so I'm going to make 6 single crochet. If you want more petals or less petals, you can change this number. To make a single crochet, I'll work into this loop and yarn over, wrap the yarn around my hook and pull it through. Now I have 2 loops on my hook. I will now yarn over and pull that yarn through both the loops on my hook. Now that is our first single crochet. So we have to make 5 more of this. For that, we will go into the space, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull through both. Those are 2 single crochets. Now again into the space, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull through. So we have 3 single crochet. We have to make 3 more of these. I have made 6 single crochet and now I will close this magic ring, for which I will pull onto this shorter end here. So I have 6 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. After this, I will join it into the first single crochet. So you might have some difficulty to find the first single crochet. You can count back from here. So these 2 loops that we have here are the top of the last single crochet. So we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So that is the single crochet I have to work into. I'll go into both the loops on the top and yarn over, pull through and pull through the loop on my hook. And there, I have finished making the center. Now I will fasten off, but before fastening off, I'll chain 1 and tighten. And now I can fasten off. We'll leave a little bit of tail. And finally, so that is the center of the daisy. Once you are done with the center, you can now join your yarn for the petal. So you can join your yarn anywhere. So all the loops that you see here on the top, you can join anywhere. So I'll go here and I'll bring my other yarn through. But before doing that, I'll make a slip knot. To make a slip knot, wrap the yarn around your fingers and with your hook, bring it through all the way and tighten it up completely. That is the slip knot. Now I'll pass this slip knot through these 2 loops, and after this I will chain 1. So here I have joined the new yarn. Now I have to make my first petal. To make the petal, I will chain 2 more. So that will make it chain 3, and after this I will make 3 double crochet into the same space. So to make a double crochet, yarn over, work into the same loop, yarn over. Now you have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 of the loops on your hook. Now you have 2 loops left on your hook, again yarn over and pull through both. So you have made your first double crochet. Now I'll make 2 more of these. So yarn over, into the same stitch, yarn over, pull through, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So those are 2 double crochet. Now again yarn over, into the same stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So I finally have 3 double crochet and a chain 3. Now I'll make a chain 3 and I will slip stitch into the same space. So this is the space I was working in. Pull up a loop, 2 loops on my hook, and pull that loop through the loop on my hook. So that is a slip stitch, and I'll tighten it. So if you take a look at this, what did we do? We made a chain 3 first, then we made a double crochet, another one and another one. So 3 double crochet in total, and we made chain 3 again. And finally we made a slip stitch in the same stitch. So that is our first petal. So that is how you have to make all the other petals. You're just going to make chain 3, 3 double crochet, chain 3 into the same space for all of the spaces. So we have made first one, so we have 6 single crochet in total. That makes it total of 6 petals. So after making the first petal, I will continue making the second petal, for which I will chain 3. Now into the next space I'll make 3 double crochet, and finally chain 3 and slip stitch into the same space. So that's the repeat. So all you have to do is that after you make the petal, you will chain 3, find the next space and make a double crochet, make 2 more, chain 3 and slip stitch. So we have 3 petals in total. Now I'll make a chain 3 into the next space, double crochet, 2 more double crochet, chain 3 and slip stitch. So I've made 4 petals in total. Make 2 more of these. So here I have completed making 6 of the petals, and this is my last chain 3. Now I will just slip stitch into the same space and tighten it, chain 1 and fasten it off. So that is your daisy. Once you have your daisy, you might want to finish it off a bit by doing something like this, just giving the petals some shape so that they hold in place. and they look actually like a daisy. So there you have your daisy. For the stem part, I'm going to use a smaller hook. I'm using a 2mm hook. You can of course continue with the same hook, or you can go for a smaller hook because I want the stitches on the stem to be tighter. So once you have that, you can go into any loop behind the flower and bring your slip knot through like this. And now we will chain 1 by yarning over and pulling it through and tightening it. So we have that. So once the yarn is attached, now you have to chain a length which you want for the stem. So I will chain 80. You can chain more or less if you want. So to chain, yarn over and pull that through the loop on your hook. Again, yarn over, pull it through. Yarn over, pull it through. Yarn over, pull through. Continue doing this till you have a chain of 80. So here I have made a chain of 80. Now we are going to make a leaf here. So this part is going to have the leaf. For this, again, I am switching to the hook that I was using previously. So a 3.5mm hook. You can again choose to continue using whatever hook you are using. It might make the leaf a bit smaller, but it's your choice. It's not going to make a lot of difference. So I'll make a slip stitch into the second last chain from the hook. So this is the loop on the hook, this is the first chain from the hook, and this is the second chain from the hook. So here I will work into this, pull up a loop and pull it through the loop on my hook. That is a slip stitch. After this, I'm going to make a single crochet into the next chain. So next chain, work in here, yarn over, pull it through, 2 loops on hook, yarn over, pull through 2. That is a single crochet. Now into the next 2 chains, I'll work a half double crochet. To make a half double crochet, I will yarn over, go into this chain, yarn over, pull it through, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all 3. Similarly, we'll go into the next chain, yarn over into the space, yarn over, pull it through, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all 3. So we have 2 half double crochet. After this, I'll make 2 double crochet into the next 2 spaces. So to make a double crochet, yarn over into the next chain, pull up a loop, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So that's a double crochet. Again, yarn over into the next space, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So that is 2 double crochet. After this, I'll make 2 treble crochet into the next 2 spaces. So yarn over twice into the next chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 for the one last time. So we'll pull through 2 thrice. So again, wrap the yarn twice around the hook into the next chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have steadily increased. So it was single crochet, 2 half double crochet, 2 double crochet, 2 treble crochet. Now we are going to decrease in the same manner. So 2 double crochet, 2 half double crochet, single crochet, slip stitch. Okay, so we'll make 2 double crochet into the next space. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Again, another double crochet. After 2 double crochet, we'll make 2 half double crochet into the next 2 spaces. After the half double crochet, we'll make a single crochet. So pull up a loop, pull through. That's a single crochet. Next is the slip stitch into the next chain. So pull up a loop and pull it through, chain on my hook. So that is one side of the leaf. This is how it should look. After that is done, we are going to repeat the same thing on the other side. So I'll not cut my yarn, I'll just turn my work like this, and I will work into the same chain in which I worked my slip stitch. So I'll make a slip stitch on the other side of this chain. This is the space I worked in. I'll work again into the same space, pull up a loop and pull it through the chain on my hook. So that is a slip stitch. After this, we are going to continue doing whatever we did previously. So that is single crochet, half double crochet, half double crochet, 2 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 2 half double crochet, 1 single crochet and a slip stitch. So we'll continue doing that. So into the next one, we're going to make a single crochet, a half double crochet, another half double crochet, then a double crochet, double crochet, 2 treble crochet, a double crochet, another double crochet, half double crochet, another half double crochet, single crochet, slip stitch into the last stitch. There you have finished making the leaf. Now you can chain 1 and fasten off. Once you are done doing this, this is how it should look. You have a lot of tails to hide. So once you have weaved in all your ends, you are done with your Daisy bookmark. So I hope you liked it and I'll see you in the next tutorial.